Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must start by confirming the MK5 Gti is mechanically sound. This reduces risk and narrows causes. Once done, use a diagnostics reader and the OEM manual to log boost, vacuum, and N75 activity so you know what to change and why. Make sure to wear safety gear and set a controlled testing environment. You should choose a tolerated sound profile up front because small valve or spring changes can alter performance, so document baseline metrics before touching hardware. You will proceed by focusing on the interaction between the diverter/recirculation valve and compressor. That relationship creates flutter when flow reversals occur. Once you have baseline logs, make one reversible change at a time and retest. Measure boost, air-fuel ratio, and wastegate timing after each change. Make sure to monitor for compressor surge signs and abnormal temps. If you use software overrides, opt for conservative maps. Tuning should aim to preserve safe manifold pressures and engine longevity. You complete the procedure by performing controlled road tests across light, medium, and full throttle runs, log data, and listen for unwanted noises. Once done, compare new metrics to baseline and watch for boost spikes, lean AFRs, or check engine lights. If anything abnormal appears, revert the last change. Make sure to troubleshoot by returning to the stock recirculation/diverter assembly to isolate the source. And if uncertainty persists, consult a qualified tuner or technician to avoid long-term engine or turbo.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.